to myABCdad.
Do you want to say it, Gabrielle?
myABCdad.
Okay, lovely. And today, what are we doing?
See where the cold water goes.
How does Dad usually drink his water?
With an ice cube.
Shall we show everybody what that looks like?
Yes.
Yes? What do we need? We need some water and we need some ice. Who wants to get the water?
Me.
Okay, well one of you gets the ice and one of you gets the water.
Me.
I'll tell you what.
I'm getting the water.
You get the water? And Gabrielle, do you want to get the ice from the freezer?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. Is it cold? Okay. So here are the ice cubes with a few looking a bit funny with all the empty ones popped out. Okay, here we go. Elliot's gonna serve up some water for me. Why do I like ice cubes in my water, do you think?
Because you like cold water.
Cold water. But if I drink this straight away, it's not quite cold yet. So how does the water get cold? And that's what we're trying to find out. Okay? So what do we need for our experiment, Elliot? Can you show everybody what we need?
Food coloring.
Okay, food coloring. And what else do we need?
Water.
Water. Okay.
A nice tray.
Okay, so
Yeah.
how are we going to make the ice cubes this time?
Put water in it.
In it. And what are we going to put in the water?
Food coloring.
Okay, so let's do that. You want to open up the food coloring? Which color are you going to choose?
Green.
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 Let's get a whole bunch in there. So 15 drops of food coloring, and we have about, how much water do we have there? Well, I don't think it really matters. About 200 milliliters of water. And then we need a spoon. Gabrielle, can you get a spoon for us?
Yes.
Okay.
A big one.
A big one.
Yes. A big one.
Lovely. Okay. Would you like to mix up the water?
Yes.
Okay. Elliot will hold the cup there, so. Okay, so that is very green water now. Now what are we going to do with the water?
Pour it in.
So we filled our ice tray with the green water, the water with green food coloring, and we've actually added a few more drops to each of the cubes, just so that when it melts, we'll really be able to see what happens. So what do we do next with the tray, Elliot?
We put it in the freezer.
Okay, lovely. Gabrielle, can you help your brother? Can you please open the freezer for your brother? And then Elliot's going to very carefully put it in. Very carefully, and pop it into the... And then when those ice cubes are frozen, we'll continue with our experiment. Okay, we're back here. What do we have to finish our experiment?
Water.
Water. From where did you get this water from?
From the tap.
From the tap. And Gabrielle, what's in there? It's hot water, so you have to be very careful, okay? So there's hot water in there. And then we have 2 glasses. We're missing...
Bobo.
Oh, and there's Bobo. We're missing one ingredient. What do we need to get?
The ice cubes.
Let's get the ice cubes then. Now, shall we pour the tap water into one of the glasses first? That's lovely. And how do we get the ice cubes out? Do you know how to do that? Is it cold? Before you pop one in, Elliot, what do you think might happen?
The cold is going to go up.
So you think the ice cube?
The cold of in the ice cube.
Okay. Let's take a look. Here we go. Look very carefully at what's happening there.
That the coloring is going off of the
ice
Of
cube,
the
and where
ice
is it
cube.
going?
down.
It's going down.
Me.
Yeah, you can get really close. And you can see that the green from the ice is actually sinking. It's sinking to the bottom of the glass. And what's collecting at the bottom there, Elliot?
All the green.
All the
coloring.
green. All the green coloring. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
try that with the boiling water here. And Dad's going to pour it just to make sure we don't have any accidents. Let's see. What do you think might happen, Elliot?
That the coloring is going to stay up.
You think the coloring is going to stay up?
Oh.
Oh, wow. What's happening with that?
It's beginning to be smaller.
It is. But where's the coloring going?
Down.
Okay, and this one here you can still see. You can still see there's a stream of green that's sinking to the bottom. Why do you think that it's sinking? Why do you think it's falling?
I don't know.
You're not sure? Well, the temperature of the ice cube is lower than the temperature of the water.
That's why I don't know.
And the water that melts from the ice cube, because it's colder, sinks in the surrounding warmer water.
Oh,
You see that? Let's see if we can really see the green sinking.
Now we can see that there's one smaller because it's the one that was in.
What have we discovered about cold water?
Is that it goes down.
It sinks down, doesn't it, Gabrielle? The cold water sinks down. And you can see that from the green that is sinking from the ice cube.
That's why I didn't like.
You want to try another one? Okay, you pop another one in there, why not? There you go. So the cold water from the ice that's melting is sinking to the bottom of the jug of tap water. So here comes some boiling water in the glass here. And then you can pop in a couple of the ice cubes, Elliot. Oh, where's the green water going?
Down.
Wow, look how fast that's sinking to the bottom. Okay, would you like to say goodbye, guys?
Bye.
And we will
See you soon.
see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.